Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all remember DRDO conducted a flight test of Nirbhai subsonic cruise missile during October 2020, which failed due to a technical snag. Even though the missile was fired, the test was aborted after 8 minutes of launch and the missile plunged into Bay of Bengal due to a technical glitch which is yet to be identified. To be more precise, even though Nirbhai cruise missile was launched from Odisha's test facility, the mission was aborted a few minutes later, and the actual reason is said to be due to the snag which was developed by the missile. The next round of trials was expected in few months, and as per the defense sources, it looks like DRDO is planning to test fire the Nirbhai missile by this month or by next one. Even this time, it will be fitted with the indigenous 450 kg of thrust class small turbofan engine which is developed by the Gas Turbine Research Establishment. Gas Turbine Research Establishment is a lab under the Defense Research and Development Organization. And just to give a quick background on the turbofan, GTRE was developing a new thrust turbofan engine to power the Nirbhai cruise missile and future unmanned aerial vehicle. This GTRE developed small turbofan engine is a crucial step in achieving the self-sufficiency in cruise missile technology, and as mentioned, DRDO is planning to fire the Nirbhai long-range land attack cruise missile again by this month or by next month. This Nirbhai missile has a length of 6 meters, a width of 0.52 meters, a wingspan of 2.7 meters, and it weighs around 1500 kg. These missiles has a range of about 1000 km and is capable of delivering 24 different types of warheads depending on the mission requirements between 200 and 300 kg. The Nirbhai cruise missiles presently were powered by the Russian-made NPO Saturn 36MT mini turbofan engines, and DRDO wanted to validate the indigenous short turbofan engine propulsion system so that it can enter full-scale production from 2021. The missile is claimed to have sea skimming and loitering capability, which is very vital for any missile to go around a target and perform several maneuvers and then re-engage it. The point to note here is that Nirbhai missiles have already been deployed in limited numbers in Ladakh region, and this missile will supplement the role played by the BrahMos missile for the Indian Armed Forces. It will help to deliver the warheads farther than the range of BrahMos. Many trials of Nirbhai missile happen to check its reliability, and as I said, one more trial will happen very soon. So that was a quick update on DRDO's plan to test fire the Nirbhai missile fitted with indigenous short turbofan engine once again, and we also saw quick details and general characteristics of this missile. Let's hope this time the test fire gets completed successfully. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.